The goal of this is to really provide real-time, instant support, help, and answers to questions that people may have.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
My name is Dave Espino, your online course and marketing coach with over 900,000 students in 190 countries around the world. After doing over $140 million in sales of my courses and coaching, I'm here to help you achieve financial independence with your course and coaching business. If this sounds awesome to you, then you've got to get your free newsletter down at the link below. Now let's get into today's video. Welcome back. And today I want to talk about how you can install ChatGPT into your website to provide customer service and chat support service for visitors to your website. Now you can install this on your website, you can install this on a WordPress site, you can install it on a ClickFunnels funnel page. The goal of this is to really provide real-time, instant support, help, and answers to questions that people may have. And so I want to share with you this amazing tool that allows you to do this. This tool is called Chatbase, and I'll have a link to it in the description down below. And it's basically custom ChatGPT for your website. You can build a custom GPT, you can embed it on your website, and then let it handle customer support, lead generation, engage with your users, and more. Now, I've used a tool just like this for one of my websites, and it's pretty amazing because it's totally custom to you and your information. What you can do is you can have it look through your entire website. And what it does is it takes all that information and uses it as its, let's call it as its knowledge database or as its knowledge base. And then it can then answer all these questions for you. What you can also do is add in more content. Maybe you've got all kinds of SOPs or manuals, operating manuals, things like that. You can add all that in as well, so that you've got this massive database of information that can be served to your customers. The beautiful thing about this is your customers get help immediately, and they don't have to wait for an agent. They don't have to wait for things to happen. So this is how it looks. You import all your data. You can connect your data sources. You can upload files. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, or add a website for it to crawl. And then it'll use all that data to train your chatbot. You can also customize the behavior and appearance of the chatbot so that it looks similar to your branding and that kind of thing. Then you embed it on your website, and then you can even integrate it with your tools as well. So this is a very cool tool, basically having a chatbot on your site, but a very intelligent chatbot that will give really, really good answers. So I wanted to share that with you. There's also a video here down below where you can learn more about this amazing AI tool. And check it out. It's something I strongly recommend. I'll have a link to it in the description box down below. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.